Hello everyone, myself lecturer Aditya Anil Kushari, Master of Pharmacy in Quality Assurance Techniques. Today we are going to discuss about the experiments from Pharmaceutics 2. So first of all, let's discuss about the introduction of dosage form. In that, monophasic liquid dosage forms, in that B, liquid meant for external administration, that liquids applied on skin. So in that we will discuss lotions. These are the fluid preparations aqueous for external application without friction. They are either dabbed on the skin or applied on a suitable dressing and covered with a waterproof dressing to reduce the evaporation. Alcohol is sometimes included in the aqueous lotions for its cooling and soothing effect. For an example, salicylic acid lotion uses local action as a cooling, soothing or protective purposes and generally applied for antiseptic action. For an example, calamine lotion. Containers used are lotions should be dispensed in colored fluted bottles. Labeling for lotions are for external use only. Shake well before use and apply on broken skin without friction. Storage for conditions for lotions are lotions should be stored in a tightly closed airtight container in a cool place. In next session we will discuss about the actual experiment. So experiment number 51, title of this experiment is to prepare and submit the sulfur lotion 10 ml. Proposition 1, some substances like sulfur are insoluble in water and they are poorly wetted by it. Proposition 2, suitable wetting agent can be used to suspend the sulfur in lotion. Learning objectives are to understand the preparation of lotion containing poorly wettable solid and ability to prepare the lotion successfully using wetting agent. Apparatus required are mortar, pestle, measuring cylinder, beaker, pipette, funnel. Factor calculated as quantity required upon quantity given is equal to 10 upon 100, that is equal to 0.1. We have this is a prescription which is denoted by Rx. Precipitated sulfur 5 gram, glycerin 5 ml, alcohol 90 ml, alcohol 90% alcohol, that is 15 ml, sodium lauryl sulfate SLS 0.25 gram, rose water quantity sufficient to prepare up to 100 ml. So we have this is a formula table, that is type, category, role or use of ingredient, translation, name of ingredient, quantity given in imperial system is not given as we don't have the formula given in the Latin terminology. Quantity given in the metric system to prepare up to 1000 ml and then the quantity taken in the metric system to prepare up to 10 ml. So first of all we have this is a precipitated sulfur which is used as an antipyretic, that is agent means the pain and itching reliever. So quantity given should be the 5 gram, quantity taken is a 0.5 gram which is calculated with the help of factor. Glycerin used as a viscosity enhancer, that is humectant which maintain the humidity or moisture balance, means balance the moisture. Quantity given in the metric system is a 5 ml, quantity taken should be 0.5 ml. Alcohol 90% alcohol used as a preservative. Quantity given is the 15 ml and quantity taken is a 1.5 ml. Sodium lauryl sulfate SLS used as a surfactant, quantity given 0.25 gram and taken quantity should be 0.025 gram. Rose water used as a vehicle, quantity given to prepare up to 100 ml and quantity taken to prepare quantity sufficient to prepare up to 10 ml. All these quantities taken should be calculated with the help of factor. So direction to be used as directed by physician. Now let's move towards actual performing of experiment in laboratory. For this we have this sulfur powder which is a previously weighed. This is a glycerin which is taken into this beaker. This is a 90% alcohol which is also taken into this beaker. This is a sodium lauryl sulfate SLS which is also previously weighed, and this is a rose water. So now I am going to add this powder, that is sulfur powder and SLS, into this mortar pestle for trituration purpose. So I am going to add these powders into this for trituration. Then I am going to add glycerin into it for proper trituration of it. After proper trituration, proper mixing, then after proper trituration I am going to add this alcohol, 90% alcohol into it. After that again triturate it properly. After trituration in mortar and pestle, now I am going to add this rose water into it. Then after proper trituration, this smooth lotion is formed, and then we will proceed for volume makeup. Now I make up the volume with the help of rose water up to 10 ml. Then I am going to transfer this sulfur lotion into this bottle, and after that we will proceed for next labeling part. So now let's move towards labeling part. Labeling of formulation sulfur lotion 10 ml. For ABC means name of patient, register number, that is XYZ number given in the register, dispensed by PQR means name of pharmacist, manufacturing date, that is September 2020, storage condition, storing cool and dark place, shake well before use, one more direction, that is to be used as directed by physician, another direction for this lotion as it should be applied on broken skin without friction, manufactured by Chemical Pharmacy, Nasik. Then result, the 10 ml of this sulfur lotion is submitted in amber colored glass bottle for inspection with special instruction on written as shake well before use.